Action.
So we have all of our screws out, and we're just going to show you how this valve works. As you can see, there's 3 ports on this valve. Now Jandy makes the exact same valve with 2 ports. This is perfect for pool spa combos where you have water going into the pump, coming from a spa, coming from a pool. So once our screws are out, we can just wiggle and pull on this entire assembly and it'll come out. Now the way this valve operates is this diverter, as it's called, will go in and close the port. When the port is closed, the word off will line up with the port that's closed.
Makes sense.
So right now we have this port closed, this port open, and this port open. If we want to open all 3 ports, we'll take the valve, move the lever to this position, and then of course the diverter is at a dead port, so all 3 ports are open. Now, the best thing about a Jandy valve is all of these parts are replaceable. This is the diverter. Now, this is an O-ring. The gray Jandy valve must be lubricated. If you notice, this valve has lubrication on the paddle. This valve has to be lubricated once a year or it will fail. You won't be able to turn it. The rubber seal will begin to deteriorate and need to be replaced.
There's a rubber seal around the bottom and also on the diverter itself.
That is correct. It's one seal. Now, another part of this valve that a lot of people are unaware of is if you remove the handle, which again is replaceable and available through poolcenter.com, and remove the top plate,
just pulls right out?
There's 2 O-rings in here. If you buy the diverter assembly complete from poolcenter.com, these O-rings, this O-ring, the top plate, and the diverter all come as one piece, ready to be installed in your existing Jandy valve body. And as you can tell, it's fairly easy. Another thing about the Jandy valve is the handles have notches. It's very important that the notches line up with the notches on the stem assembly. Now fortunately, it really won't work any other way, but we've seen situations where the valve handle has been forced on in the wrong situation. Be sure that the grooves line up with the valve stem. Cut. Okay, go.